Did you know that old doctors spray castor oil on the navel to treat with a range of health issues? It sounds almost too easy to be true, right? But in fact, castor oil has been a trusted remedy in traditional medicine for centuries, used by old doctors and healers for everything from digestive issues to skin health. This simple oil has an impressive track record and might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Castor oil is not just any oil. It's been called a miracle oil by those who rely on it, and for good reason. Extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, castor oil has been used in Ayurvedic and other traditional medicine practices for over 4,000 years. In ancient Egypt, it was prized for its healing properties and used to promote smooth, youthful skin. Ayurvedic practitioners often refer to it for treating inflammation and pain. Even today, castor oil's therapeutic benefits are widely recognized, especially for its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which gives it anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Now you might be wondering, why apply it to the belly button of all places? This method, often called naval therapy, has roots in several ancient practices, including the Ayurvedic Pechoti method. This technique suggests that the navel is connected to a vast network of nerves and blood vessels throughout the body, allowing it to distribute nutrients and even therapeutic agents. So, applying oils to the navel can potentially deliver benefits that reach beyond that one small spot. In this video, we'll dive deep into this old-school yet surprisingly effective remedy and show you how something as simple as a few drops of castor oil on the navel might help you manage a range of common health concerns. From relieving joint pain and aiding digestion to promoting better sleep and supporting hormonal balance, we're going to cover 12 specific health benefits that castor oil may provide. We'll look into the science behind castor oil's healing properties, give you clear, step-by-step instructions on how to use it safely, and highlight any precautions you should consider. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and why castor oil works when applied to the navel, and how you can incorporate this simple remedy into your daily wellness routine. The science behind castor oil. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is celebrated for its unique composition and health benefits. It is especially notable for its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which makes up about 90% of the oil. This fatty acid is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which contribute to castor oil's broad range of therapeutic applications. Ricinoleic acid's natural anti-inflammatory effects help to reduce swelling, redness, and pain in the body. Additionally, castor oil has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it useful for treating infections and promoting healthy skin. Besides ricinoleic acid, castor oil also contains vitamin E, proteins, and other nutrients that nourish the skin, enhancing elasticity and hydration. This rich composition has made it a versatile tool in traditional medicine, particularly when used topically to soothe or heal areas of the body. Castor oil's benefits for the body are extensive. Its anti-inflammatory qualities make it excellent for addressing pain, reducing swelling, and soothing irritated tissues. The oil's antibacterial properties allow it to combat infections, while its antifungal properties are especially beneficial for conditions like ringworm or athlete's foot. Known for its analgesic effects, castor oil is also popular as a natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, sore muscles, and menstrual cramps, as it penetrates deep into tissues to relieve discomfort. Its moisturizing properties benefit the skin by treating dryness, reducing fine lines, and improving texture. Furthermore, castor oil acts as a natural laxative, widely used to relieve constipation. When applied externally to the abdomen, it can stimulate bowel movements more gently. Another fascinating aspect of castor oil application is its use on the navel, a practice rooted in Ayurveda and often referred to as naval therapy or the Pechoti method. In this approach, oils or natural ingredients are applied to the navel, which is thought to serve as a distribution hub for nutrients to reach different parts of the body. The navel served as the primary channel for nourishment before birth, and it is believed to retain this unique ability to absorb and distribute nutrients through the nervous and circulatory systems. Applying castor oil to the navel allows it to penetrate deeply, delivering its benefits to the body more broadly, similar to how essential oils are absorbed through the skin and affect areas beyond the site of application. Before you begin using castor oil on your navel, it's essential to clear up a few common myths. First, castor oil is not a cure-all, and while it offers many potential benefits, it is not a miracle solution for every health condition or individual. It is a supplementary remedy that may support health but should not replace other treatments when needed. Second, not all castor oil is the same. Cold-pressed organic castor oil is ideal for topical use, as it avoids the risk of additives or contaminants. Third, results from castor oil may vary in timing. While some people notice benefits quickly, others may require consistent use over several weeks to see results. Finally, applying castor oil to the navel is just one approach. For some conditions, massaging the oil directly onto the affected area, such as sore muscles or joints, may be more effective. The navel method, however, is well suited for overall wellness and more subtle internal effects. Understanding the science behind castor oil and dispelling common myths allows you to approach its use with realistic expectations. With this knowledge, we can further explore the specific health issues that castor oil, when applied to the navel, might help address effectively. The 12 health problems and how castor oil can help. Number 1. Digestive issues, constipation, bloating. Digestive problems like constipation, bloating, and indigestion are common but frustrating. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil stimulates the digestive tract, helping to relieve constipation by acting as a mild laxative and soothing any inflammation in the gut. For navel application, place a few drops of castor oil on a cotton ball, gently press it into the navel, and cover with a bandage. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight to allow the oil to stimulate digestive activity and relieve discomfort. Number 2. Joint pain and arthritis. Joint pain and arthritis often stem from inflammation, causing discomfort and restricting movement. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can provide relief from joint pain when absorbed through the navel, targeting pain and reducing swelling. To use it, apply 4 to 5 drops of castor oil to your belly button before bed, allowing the oil's soothing properties to permeate and help alleviate joint pain as you sleep. Number 3. Menstrual cramps and PMS. Menstrual cramps can be debilitating, often accompanied by bloating, lower back pain, and fatigue. Castor oil is known to reduce inflammation and relax muscles, which can help ease cramps and PMS symptoms. For relief, apply a few drops of warm castor oil to your navel before and during your period. This can help relax the uterine muscles and reduce painful contractions, providing a natural alternative to painkillers. Number 4. Skin health. Dry skin, wrinkles, and uneven skin texture are common concerns as we age. Castor oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, deeply nourishes the skin, making it softer, more elastic, and radiant. Applying castor oil to the navel can help hydrate your skin from within. Simply put a few drops in the navel before bed and leave it overnight. With consistent use, you may notice improvements in skin moisture, softness, and even a reduction in fine lines. Number 5. Sleep disorders. Insomnia and sleep disturbances are increasingly common due to stress and busy lifestyles. Castor oil has a calming effect on the nervous system, promoting relaxation and aiding sleep. Applying a few drops to the belly button an hour before bedtime can help calm the mind and prepare the body for a restful sleep. For best results, use this technique consistently, making it a part of your nighttime routine. Number 6. Respiratory issues. Respiratory congestion, often due to colds, allergies, or sinus infections, can be uncomfortable and disruptive. Castor oil's natural decongestant properties can help reduce mucus buildup and ease breathing. Place a few drops of warm castor oil in your navel, cover it with a warm compress, and let it sit for a couple of hours. This technique helps reduce nasal and chest congestion, allowing you to breathe more easily. Number 7. Boosting immunity. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense against illness. Castor oil supports immunity by reducing inflammation and stimulating the production of lymphocytes, which are essential for a healthy immune response. For an immunity boost, apply a few drops of castor oil to your navel daily. Over time, this can help strengthen your immune system, making you more resilient against infections and illnesses. Number 8. Eye health. Puffy eyes and dark circles are often signs of fatigue, stress, or fluid retention. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and improve circulation around the eyes. To use castor oil for eye health, apply a few drops to your belly button before bed. This method may help with fluid retention, reduce puffiness, and improve overall skin tone around the eyes. Number 9. Hair growth. Healthy hair starts from within, and castor oil is rich in essential nutrients that nourish hair follicles. It contains omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E, which promote blood circulation and scalp health. To support hair growth, place a few drops of castor oil in the navel and leave it on overnight. Over time, you may notice stronger, shinier hair and a reduction in scalp dryness. Number 10. Reducing stress and anxiety. In today's world, stress and anxiety are all too common. Castor oil's calming effect on the nervous system can help reduce stress levels. Applying castor oil to the navel can help relax the body and ease tension. Put a few drops of warm castor oil in the navel before bed, which can promote calmness, support emotional balance, and enhance overall well-being. Number 11. Detoxifying the body. Your body's natural detoxification processes are essential for maintaining health. Castor oil supports liver function and aids the body in flushing out toxins. By applying castor oil to the navel, you can gently stimulate these detox processes. Simply put a few drops in the navel and cover with a warm compress for about an hour. Regular use can support liver health, improve digestion, and encourage overall detoxification. Number 12. Supporting fertility and hormonal health. Hormonal imbalances can affect fertility, menstrual cycles, and overall reproductive health. Castor oil is known to support hormonal balance by nourishing the endocrine system. For this purpose, apply a few drops of castor oil to your navel daily. The Pechoti method allows the body to absorb the oil's beneficial properties, potentially helping to balance hormones over time and supporting reproductive health. By exploring each of these 12 common health concerns, we can see how castor oil's natural properties make it a powerful addition to your wellness routine. Whether you're looking to relieve pain, support your immune system, or simply improve your sleep, this ancient remedy offers a simple, natural approach to health that's easy to incorporate. As with any wellness practice, consistency is key, so give it time, be mindful of your results, and embrace the healing potential of castor oil. Now that we've covered the many ways castor oil on the navel can support your health, let's get into the practical side with a step-by-step guide on how to apply it effectively. Here's everything you need to know to get started, from the basic supplies to preparation, application, and frequency. Supplies needed. To try this remedy, you'll only need a few basic supplies. First, you'll need cold-pressed organic castor oil, as this is the purest form, free from additives that could irritate the skin. Next, you'll need a small cotton ball or a few cotton swabs to apply the oil directly to the navel. You may also want a bandage or adhesive strip to secure the cotton in place and prevent any oil from staining your clothing or sheets, especially if you're leaving it on overnight. Finally, if you prefer to use warm castor oil, a small bowl of warm water to heat the oil slightly, never directly on a flame or stove, will be helpful. Preparation. Before applying the oil, it's essential to start with a clean navel to prevent any dirt or bacteria from getting trapped, which could cause irritation. Using a mild soap and warm water, gently cleanse the navel area and pat it dry. This is especially important if you haven't tried this remedy before or if it's part of your regular hygiene routine. If your navel tends to gather lint or oils, you might also use a cotton swab to gently remove any buildup. Application steps. Once the navel is clean, it's time to apply the castor oil. Follow these steps. 1. Pour a small amount of castor oil into a bowl. Around 3 to 5 drops should be enough. If you want to use warm oil, place the bowl in warm water for a minute until it's slightly heated. Warm oil can enhance relaxation, particularly for pain relief and sleep issues. 2. Dip a cotton ball or cotton swab into the oil, ensuring it's lightly soaked but not dripping. Place the cotton ball directly over your navel, pressing gently to ensure contact. 3. If you prefer, secure the cotton with a bandage or adhesive strip, especially if you plan to leave it on for a few hours or overnight. 4. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, but if you're addressing deeper concerns like joint pain or hormonal health, leaving it on overnight can be more beneficial. After the time is up, you can remove the cotton and gently wipe away any excess oil with a soft cloth. For best results, avoid washing the area right away, so the oil can continue to be absorbed by the skin. Frequency. How often you should apply castor oil to your navel depends on your specific needs. For general wellness, 2 to 3 times a week is often sufficient. For more targeted issues, like digestive discomfort or menstrual cramps, you might try daily application until you notice improvements. If you're using it for sleep or relaxation, applying it nightly can help create a calming routine. With these easy steps, you can begin incorporating castor oil navel therapy into your routine, reaping the benefits of this ancient practice. Remember, consistency is essential, so stick with it. Observe how your body responds and adjust as needed. Next up, let's go over some important safety tips and precautions to ensure safety, precautions, and potential side effects. As beneficial as castor oil can be, it's essential to approach this remedy with caution and respect for your body's unique needs. While castor oil is generally safe for topical use, there are some important safety considerations, precautions, and potential side effects to keep in mind. Safety tips. Before starting any new home remedy, it's important to check for possible allergies or sensitivities. Though castor oil is usually well tolerated, some people may experience skin irritation, especially if they have sensitive skin. To ensure you won't have an adverse reaction, start with a patch test on a small area of skin, such as the inside of your wrist. Apply a drop of castor oil and wait 24 hours. If you don't experience any itching, redness, or irritation, it should be safe to apply castor oil to the navel. Additionally, even if you've used castor oil before without issue, it's best to use organic, cold-pressed castor oil for navel application. This type is free from additives or potential contaminants, which minimizes the risk of irritation. When applying castor oil, be cautious about the amount used. While it's tempting to use a generous amount, a few drops are usually enough for the navel method. Using too much oil could result in skin irritation or messiness, as the oil might leak onto your clothing or bedding. Start with a small amount and increase gradually if needed. It's also advisable to use a bandage or cotton pad to keep the oil contained and prevent stains. Who should avoid this? While castor oil is safe for most people, certain individuals should avoid using it on the navel. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your healthcare provider before using castor oil for any purpose. Castor oil has a mild laxative effect when ingested, and while this doesn't typically apply to topical use, it's best to err on the side of caution due to potential absorption through the skin. People with certain medical conditions, such as gastrointestinal issues or autoimmune disorders, should also consult a healthcare professional before beginning this remedy. For instance, if you have irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or Crohn's disease, castor oil's effects on the digestive system could potentially aggravate symptoms. Similarly, if you have a history of skin conditions, such as eczema or dermatitis, applying oils to the skin could lead to flare-ups or irritation, so consult with a dermatologist or healthcare provider if you're unsure. If you have an allergy to castor oil or any related plants, it's best to avoid this treatment altogether. Symptoms of an allergic reaction might include redness, swelling, or itching at the site of application. In severe cases, allergic reactions can lead to respiratory symptoms, so if you notice any discomfort or unusual symptoms after applying castor oil, discontinue use and seek medical advice if symptoms persist. When to see a doctor. It's essential to remember that castor oil applied to the navel is a supplementary remedy, not a replacement for medical care. If you're dealing with chronic pain, digestive issues, or any other long-term health concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before relying on castor oil as a primary treatment. This is especially important for conditions like arthritis, severe constipation, or skin infections, which may require a more comprehensive treatment approach than what castor oil alone can provide. In particular, if you experience worsening symptoms after using castor oil, such as increased pain, redness, or any new symptoms, it's wise to stop the treatment and consult with a doctor. Sometimes, underlying health conditions may require more advanced care, and while castor oil can offer relief, it may not address the root cause of more complex issues. Additionally, while castor oil is known for its skin benefits, not all skin types respond the same way. If you notice persistent irritation or dryness after application, consider switching to a gentler oil, such as coconut or olive oil, or speak to a dermatologist about alternative remedies. For any eye-related concerns, it's essential to keep castor oil away from the eyes, as it can cause stinging and irritation. If you accidentally get castor oil in your eyes, rinse them immediately with cool water and seek medical advice if irritation persists. Another important factor to consider is that while castor oil may help alleviate symptoms of various conditions, it should not replace prescribed medications or therapies. For example, if you're managing a hormonal condition or an autoimmune disorder, continue with your prescribed treatment plan and view castor oil as an additional wellness aid rather than a sole treatment. Discussing this approach with your doctor can provide a balanced perspective on how to safely incorporate castor oil into your overall health routine. Finally, if you're considering this remedy for children, proceed with extra caution. While some parents have used castor oil in small amounts for digestive issues in children, the sensitivity of a child's skin makes it best to consult a pediatrician before applying it to a child's navel. Children may be more prone to skin reactions, and even small amounts of castor oil can have a stronger effect on their bodies, so professional guidance is essential. In summary, castor oil is a powerful natural remedy with a long history of therapeutic use, but it's important to approach it with mindful safety precautions. By following these guidelines, performing patch tests, and consulting healthcare providers when needed, you can enjoy the potential benefits of castor oil safely. Whether you're using it to relieve pain, improve digestion, or support skin health, remember that a cautious, well-informed approach is the best way to get the most out of this ancient remedy. In summary, the ancient practice of using castor oil on the navel can be a simple, natural way to support various aspects of your health. With just a few drops applied to this vital point, you may experience benefits for everything from digestion and joint pain to sleep, skin health, and even stress relief. We've covered how castor oil's unique properties, particularly its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and pain-relieving qualities, can offer gentle support for some of the most common health issues we face. And because the navel is an accessible, absorbent point on the body, it serves as an ideal gateway to deliver these therapeutic benefits throughout your system. If this remedy has sparked your curiosity, why not give it a try? Start with a specific issue you'd like to address, whether it's to sleep better, alleviate muscle tension, or simply feel more relaxed. Remember, consistency is key, so make it a part of your weekly or nightly routine, depending on your needs. Pay close attention to how your body responds and track any positive changes you notice. This process will allow you to tailor the practice to your own health journey, embracing what works best for you. As with any wellness practice, taking a mindful approach and being patient with your body is essential. Natural remedies often work gradually, so give it time and let your body adjust. Over the weeks, you may discover subtle improvements that lead to lasting positive effects on your health. And of course, always remember that this technique is meant to complement a balanced lifestyle and proper medical care, not replace it. We'd love to hear your experiences. Have you tried castor oil on the navel before, or are you inspired to start after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on natural health remedies. And if you're interested in other simple traditional methods for enhancing wellness, check out our related videos and dive deeper into the world of natural health. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.